Here comes the car carrier to park at the service station. How many cars do you see on the car carrier? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 cars on the car carrier. Let's unload the truck and play with the service station. First we have a blue and red car. It has the number 6 on it. Very cool. Next is the red and yellow car. This one looks very fast. Here comes the orange and blue one. It has the number 4. Now for the cars on the bottom row. This car is purple with orange flames. It has the number 3. Now we have the yellow and blue car. It has the number 2. And the last car on the car carrier is green, purple, and yellow. And it has the number 1. So now that all the cars are off the car carrier, let's play with the service station. First up is car number 1. So let's put the car on the parking deck. Let's raise the car up and put it in spot number 1. Now it's number 2's turn. Let's go up the parking deck. Park in the number 2 spot. Next we have the purple number 3. Oh no, the parking deck is up. And up it goes. So now we have 3 cars parked in the parking deck. Here comes car number 4 up the parking deck. Oh no, there's no more spots. Where should the number 4 go? How about down this ramp? We can put the 4 in this blue garage. Open the door and drive it in there. What should we do with number 5 and number 6? How about we give them a car wash? Car number 5 wants to go first. Here it goes through the car wash. Under the roller. And out through the exit. Nice and clean. Now for number 6. Get washed in the roller. And out it goes. It's time for cars 1, 2, and 3 to come down. Here comes car number 1. Down the ramp. Now it's car number 2's turn. Whoa! And now for car number 3. We're missing a car. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. We started with 6. Oh, there's another car in the garage. It's car number 4. It's time to get gas for all these cars and put them back on the car carrier. First up is the green number 1. Let's give it some gas. Glug, glug, glug. And off it goes. Here comes the yellow and blue number 2. Glug, glug, glug. Here it goes. And here's the purple number 3 with orange flames. Glug, glug, glug. Off it goes too. Now the number 4. This is the car that was hiding in the garage. Glug, 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 glug. Off it goes. We have 2 more cars. The red and yellow number 5. Glug, glug, glug. And finally, the blue and red number 6. Glug, 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 glug. Here comes the truck to put the cars back on the trailer. Let's lower the trailer. And now to put the cars back on. First is the number 1. Next is the number 2. And now for the purple number 3. Here comes the number 4. Here's the number 5. And finally, the number 6. Now it's time to raise the trailer. It's time for the truck to go home. Off they go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push the red star. Turn the yellow knob. Flip the green switch. Roll the blue dial. Red, yellow, green, blue,
나는 란이라고 해. 다요랑 숨바꼭질 하자. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Red
가리야.
Yellow
란이라고 해.
Green Lion, elephant, what's that?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit, cat, and duck.
Good job.
Circle, triangle, square, heart, and star. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Look at all these gumballs!
Cookie Monster, do you want to play with these gumballs?
Yeah.
How about we play and learn at the same time?
Cookie Monster love learning.
Alright, great! Cookie, can you tell me what color these gumballs are?
Pink.
Good job, Cookie Monster! Let's put these pink gumballs in the gumball machine.
Yeah. Whoa, that was cool.
Should we do another color?
Yeah.
What color are these gumballs, Cookie?
White.
Good job, Cookie! Let's put them in the gumball machine.
Cookie won't do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on to it. Two more. Good job.
Thank you.
Let's do some more.
Yeah.
Alright, Cookie. What color is this?
Purple.
Good job. These are purple gumballs. You want to put them in the gumball machine?
Yeah.
Alright, let's unscrew it. Do you know what color these gumballs are?
Blue.
That's right.
Guess what?
What?
Blue is Cookie Monster's favorite color.
Is that because you're blue?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Alright, let's put these in the gumball machine.
Yeah.
Good job, Cookie! Cookie? What color are these gumballs?
Green.
That's right, they're green. Green like Oscar the Grouch.
Yeah. He nice guy.
Let's put these in the gumball machine. Alright, Cookie. What color gumballs are these?
Yellow.
That's right, they're yellow. Only two colors left, Cookie Monster. What color are these gumballs?
Orange.
That's right, these are orange gumballs. Alright, Cookie, our last color. What color are these?
Red.
Good job. Look, Cookie, we made a rainbow.
Yay! Me love rainbows. Guess what?
What, Cookie?
Me hungry.
You want some gumballs?
Yeah. 1,000 gumballs.
You can't have 1,000.
100 gumballs.
How about 10?
10 gumballs. Yeah. Oh.
Alright, first let's mix them up, okay?
Yeah. Mix them up.
Alright, Cookie, now that we mixed up the gumballs, let's see what colors we get.
Yeah. Gumballs.
Alright, here comes our first one. 1,
Yellow gumball.
2,
Red gumball.
3,
Another yellow gumball. Whoa.
4,
Pink gumball.
5,
White gumball.
6,
Green gumball.
7,
Blue gumball.
8,
Another blue gumball.
9,
Pink gumball.
last one, 10.
Orange gumball.
Alright, now you can eat them.
Yay!
Alright, Cookie, here are your 10 gumballs.
Gumballs.
Here you go.
Now me want to blow a bubble.
You're gonna blow a bubble? Alright.
Here I go.
Not too big, Cookie Monster.
Me make it bigger. Bigger.
It's gonna pop, Cookie Monster. Oh no, Cookie Monster.
Oopsie.
Today we're gonna play at the playground. And we're gonna invite some of our friends who live in this house. The house has 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 for each of our friends. Who's behind the blue door? Let's ring the doorbell. The door is locked. We need to use a key. Let's find the key that matches this door. This door is number 1, so we use the number 1 key. Put the key in the lock, turn the key, and now the door is open. And we have our friend John. Hi John, do you want to play with us today?
Yeah, you bet.
Let's get more of our friends. Who's behind the red number 2 door? Let's ring the bell. Again, the door is locked. We need to use a key. Let's find the key for this door. The number 2 key. Now the door is unlocked. Oh look, it's Evan. Would you like to play?
Yeah.
Now for our friend behind the number 3 door. This door is purple. Who's behind the purple number 3? Let's ring the bell. We need the key to open the door. Let's find the number 3. There it is. The number 3 key. Oh look, it's Sarah. Would you like to come play at the playground?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Now for our last door. Who is behind the green number 4? Let's ring the doorbell. Now let's use the number 4 key for the number 4 door. Look, it's Jane. Would you like to go play at the playground too?
Sounds fun.
Alright, let's go. Here come John, Evan, Jane, and Sarah to the playground. Jane wants to go down the slide.
Whee!
John and Sarah want to go on the merry-go-round. Whoa, this is fun. Evan wants to go on the swing. Here he goes. John and Jane are going to go down the slide together. Whoa! Be careful climbing, John. Oh no, he's going down head first. Whoa! Evan's climbing up to play with Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Yahoo!
Everybody had a fun time at the playground, but now it's time to go home. Let's help everybody find their way back into their home. Do you remember who lives in the green number 4? It's Jane. Jane lives in the green number 4. Let's help her get inside her house. First, we need the number 4 key to unlock the door. Here you go, Jane. Bye. Let's lock the door back. Now for the purple number 3. Who lives behind this door? It's Sarah. Sarah lives behind the purple number 3. Let's unlock the door for her. We need the number 3 key. Here you go, Sarah. We had fun playing. Lock the door back. We have 2 more. Who lives behind the red number 2? It's Evan. Evan lives in the red number 2. We need the number 2 key. Here you go, Evan. See you later. All right, John, we've got to find your house. Do you live in the blue number 1?
Yeah.
All right, let's let him in the blue number 1. I have the number 1 key that unlocks this door. Here you go, John. Thanks for playing. Alright everybody, I hope you had as much fun playing with our new friends as I did. I will see you guys soon. Bye!
Onion. Eggplant. Fish. Cauliflower. Apple. Peas. Carrot. Broccoli. Tomato. Chicken. Corn. Orange. Watermelon. Bell pepper. Strawberry. Hot dog. Grapes. Avocado. Lettuce. Red pepper. Salad. Watermelon. Avocado. Lettuce. Apple. Orange. Carrot. Bell pepper. Corn. Eggplant. Peas. Onion. Red pepper. Strawberry. Cauliflower. Tomato. Grapes. Broccoli. Meats. Fish. Hot dog. Chicken.